If you've been being so patient and watching and waiting for the perfect property on the Niangua, then I've got the perfect place for you. You can kick back and enjoy calmer waters, outstanding fishing. The home is about 3,500 square feet and can be between 3 and 4 acres because it can include some additional acreage up top with a detached garage. As you can see, a ton of gentle outdoor space, and I'm super excited to show you this really huge rock formation that expands your entertaining space and really adds to the uniqueness of this property. Let's meander around and take a look at this place. So if this looks like your kind of heaven, all of this, give us a call at 1-800-836-2005 and we can show you around. Thanks for watching.